October 16th, destructive waves hit the coast of South Africa. The country's weather service has issued a level 5 warning for damage, winds and waves. Storm surges have caused damage to a number of coastal communities in the Eastern Cape and Western Cape. Waves up to 7 meters high and winds of 70 kilometers per hour were recorded. Numerous beaches and municipal infrastructure were damaged. Huge waves swept away cars in Gordon Bay, Still Bay, Mossel Bay and Anchor Bay. In the Eastern Cape, Liverpool Resort suffered its fair share of damage. Disaster teams are assessing the various areas affected by the waves. An elderly woman has been reported dead. The National Sea Rescue Institute asked residents of both provinces to exercise caution